Thanks for clicking on my video. This is the Art Project. I'm glad you're here. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below. If you got any ideas, comments, or questions or suggestions, please leave those in the comments below. This is a friend of mine named Cindy. She sent her picture to me on Facebook, and I am going to try and draw it. Um, I am not the best portrait drawer in the world. I'm just going to go ahead and say that. I think I can draw pretty good. I'm pretty good at hatching and cross hatching and shading and all that sort of thing. But I don't always get everything in the exact proportion that it needs to be. But that's all right. I'm learning. Things don't happen overnight or all of a sudden. A lot of us aren't born with the ability to draw, so we just have to keep practicing and keep training. And I appreciate Cindy letting me draw her picture like she did. The picture on Facebook is so much better than the picture that I drew, but I had a lot of fun, um, and it was good practice. First, I just shaded everything in pencil, and uh, was doing this in nice, solid peace and quiet. Just me, my computer, my sketchbook, and everything was great. And so I just laid all this stuff out. I didn't have to worry about too much. Um, but later on in the drawing, my daughter came in and kind of interrupted me and distracted me. I'm not sure that helped out a whole lot. But anyway, then I pulled out a artist technical pen, a .1, and I started shading in. And I used a combination of stippling and hatching and cross hatching in order to get all the shadows. So that's what I'm doing here in this part. You'll notice that I left the eyes kind of white, or not kind of white, I left them white so that I could fill them in later on in color. The photograph that she sent me was black and white, so I didn't know what color her eyes were anyway. So I just left those white and was going to make sort of a little pop of color at the very end. I did run into one sort of major problem you'll see in a minute. All I had to work with was this .1. I did not have a bigger marker to fill in the hair, and the hair was extremely dark. There wasn't really much value at all in the hair. So when I finally got around to doing the hair, I just did like all Sharpie, all fine point Sharpie, regular Sharpie marker. I have a feeling it bled through onto the other side of my sketchbook page, but I'm not too worried about it. The other page served its purpose, and I've moved on to the next page. So if it bleeds through, that's okay. No big deal. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I've sped the video up about 8 times its normal speed. So I love what it looks like when you hit all those little hatch marks and all of a sudden it's shaded in the picture. I also think, like you'll see right here, I got some reflected light on the very side of her jaw right there, which I like. I got that on both sides. It's kind of neat how I captured that, I think. I do have a tendency to make people look older in the pictures that I draw, and I also have a tendency to lengthen their faces a little bit. So, sorry, Cindy, about that. Hope it's okay. You are very beautiful and very youthful looking, so please don't be offended by my picture. So I've been doing some YouTube videos for a couple of weeks now, and I've pretty much done a video a day, every day, just about for, I think, 2 or 3 weeks now. And so I'm kind of keeping up with it at a pretty good pace. And I don't think I can do this forever. I can't keep this up, but it's been fun. And I figure the more videos I got for you to watch, the more interest that we'll have. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like button. And it would be extremely helpful if you're watching this video and you've even watched it all the way this far. It would be so helpful to me and my channel if you could share it. Right here, there's a glitch in the camera. It keeps like pausing. I think it's because my phone's getting too hot. I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix that later on. But anyway, it is what it is. I think it did all right most of the video. Anyway, please hit the like button. Please share my video on your favorite social media platform. I really need that in order to get more viewers and more subscribers. So if you like this video at all, please share it. And that's pretty much it. Here's the picture, and I think it turned out pretty good. Oh, and I think I've made her a little cross-eyed. She's a little cross-eyed there. But anyway, thanks for watching.